In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync photos and videos to iCloud on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro, or any later model. Whether you're upgrading your device or want to ensure your precious memories are safe and accessible across all your Apple devices, syncing your photos and videos to iCloud is a smart choice. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together. First, we're going to navigate to iCloud via your iPhone's settings. Start by opening the Settings app, which is the grey gear icon on your home screen. Once you're there, look to the top of the menu where you'll see your name. Tapping on it will take you to your Apple ID settings. In here you'll see a variety of options, but for our purpose today, you'll want to tap on iCloud. This is where all your iCloud settings are centralized and where you can manage what gets backed up to iCloud. Next, we're going to focus on photos specifically. Once you've tapped into iCloud, go ahead and find the Photos tab. Tapping this will bring you to a screen dedicated to photo settings. This is where we can enable the syncing of your photos and videos, ensuring they're backed up safely to your iCloud account. Now simply turn on Sync this iPhone. By turning this feature on, you are telling your iPhone to upload your existing photos and videos, as well as any new ones you take directly to your iCloud account. It's the magic button that makes sure everything is stored in the cloud. Just as important, it helps free up space on your device, since once they are uploaded to iCloud, you can choose to keep a lower resolution copy on your phone itself. One important step is to make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Photo and video files can be quite large, and syncing them over cellular data wouldn't be efficient or cost effective. So double check you're connected to a Wi-Fi network by swiping down from the top right of your screen to access the control center and looking for the Wi-Fi icon. Also, it's recommended to keep your device plugged in during this process, especially if you have a lot of photos and videos to upload. This way your battery won't deplete while you're syncing. Once these steps are complete, your photos and videos will begin syncing to iCloud. You won't need to worry about manually backing them up ever again, as they'll automatically be saved whenever you're connected to Wi-Fi and have your phone plugged in if needed. This seamless integration ensures all your precious memories are safely stored and easily accessible whenever you need them. Thank you for choosing to sync your data with iCloud. By following these steps, you've taken a meaningful step to secure your digital memories. If you found this video helpful, feel free to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Apple devices.